Hi, we are actually going to be looking at the 5 steps to using Facebook challenges to grow your business. Now, growing your business is a challenge currently because a lot of people are all over the place trying to look at different methods they can use in generating leads or customers or reps for their business. Now, Facebook challenges has it started about 2 years back when I got to know of it so hot, and it's still working. It works. So if you are looking for a way to be able to get so many people to take a look at what you have to offer, then Facebook challenge is the best answer for you. And I'm actually going to take you through the 5 steps one after the other to help you understand how exactly you should go about it. If this is the first time you meeting me, I'm Abokra Minatu, and I help entrepreneurs to 10 times their sales online. Now, before you start a Facebook challenge, there are certain things you need to have in place. You need to have a Facebook group, and then you need to start with the end in mind. What exactly do you want to achieve with your Facebook challenge? Do you want to grow your reps, or you want to sell more of your product? So the first step in actually organizing a very robust challenge is your call to action. The step one is your call to action. Then that is, what do you want people to do? Where do you want to bring them? Where do you want to send them to? After you have your call to action, then you identify, that is the second step, who is your target market. You know, I want to recruit, or I want to sell my product. Which people are exactly looking for the product that I have to sell, or that I have to offer? What is it going to do for them? How is it going to make them feel? So you need to sit down and structure all this one after the other before you come out to make your announcement. So one, if maybe you are looking to recruit people in your business, are you targeting unemployed graduates? And even within the unemployed graduates, we have males, we have females. Or are you targeting people who are already employed and are running 9 to 5 jobs? Or are you simply looking for other people who are already in business like yourself, whether they are network marketers or affiliate marketers? Or are you simply targeting people who are online and trying to make money online? You have to sit down and identify the group of people that are best suited for your opportunity. I always say that if you don't target people specifically for what you have, no one will know or understand. It's not everybody that is looking for what you have to offer. So chasing everyone is just a simple mistake a lot of people are doing, and I want you to actually avoid that. The third step you need to follow is to structure your Facebook challenge. Now you know your audience, you know your call to action, or where you want to send them to, or the end results that you want to achieve. What is the third step? Structure your challenge. How do you structure it? How many days do you want to organize the challenge? Is it 5 days? Is it 3 days? Is it 1 week? Or now that you come out with the days, each day, what do you want to achieve? You have to write that down. Aside each day what you want to achieve, do you also know what time you specifically want to be sharing the value that you have with your audience? So you need to sit down and structure the content, everything, the objective, whatever it is these people are going to go through. You have to sit down and structure it very well, so that you don't start with your challenge and you are met halfway in disgrace. You don't know what to go, what to do next, and that kind of stuff. That is really not going to help your business or the challenge for you to actually achieve the best results that you have. I have a series of a 5-day challenge on my YouTube channel right here. So I'm sure the link will be either on the top left side or the right hand side, or I will surely drop the link to the challenge in the description below. You can simply click on them, listen to the challenge I have. You can even take that challenge. You yourself, if this is the first time you are trying to organize a challenge, take that challenge. It's just 5 days. It's short. Look at how I organized it, what the call to action was. Each day, what I took people through, it was about posting, getting engagement on your profile. So you look at it, go through it, and then you also sit back and be able to structure your own very, very well, and then you are good to go. Now the fourth is, what Facebook giveaway? What is the challenge? What are you giving them at the end of it all? Do you have a PDF? Do you have a lead magnet? Do you have a course? Do you have a training video? What is it that you can give them as a takeaway to make them really enjoy the challenge that they came through? Actually, each day I think I gave a PDF of examples or samples of the posts they could go and post straight from the challenge. Each day, go and post, go and make a post, and then I follow up. Once you make the post, come back on the video, put the post that you did there, so that all of us could go there, take a look at what it is you did, so that we could appraise it. Where you did right, I actually come inbox and then discuss it with you. So you look at what it is that you want to give away, and that is very, very powerful. The last is promote your Facebook challenge. Now you want to organize a challenge. Maybe it's facial. You want people's face to look smoother, they need to change, or you want them to shine their skin. 1 week skin challenge, or maybe 1 week weight loss, 1 week make money, whatever it is that you are actually throwing the challenge on. Once you know your way, you have yourself down, start promoting it. Give yourself about a week, and then make announcements, share your posts in groups, on pages where your audience are hanging out, as well as inbox people about the challenge. Rouse people's interest, arouse people's interest in the challenge. Get them interested in the challenge and get a lot of people to participate. That way, you know everything we do is a numbers game. Not everybody might buy your product or join your opportunity, but at the end of the day, you will get some that will stick with you. Those that don't worry about it. Some are actually going to get back to you later. And so no now doesn't mean no forever. It is surely going to come. So these are the 5 steps you need to go through when you want to organize your own Facebook challenge. The first is, have the call to action. Understand what you want to achieve with the challenge. That is the first thing. The second is, then identify your target market, and then structure your Facebook challenge. Very important. Now, what is your giveaway? What you want to give to people at the end? And lastly, promote your challenge. Now, if this is the first time you coming to my channel, be sure to click on the subscribe button so you get subscribed. Also, ring the notification bell. That way, you are notified of all other trainings I do release on my channel to help you grow and scale your business. Thank you so much for your time. Do enjoy the other videos as well. All of them are so powerful to help you grow your business. Until I catch you on my next video, it has been lovely, and it's a bye-bye for now.